That looks kind of nasty. That looks real nasty. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and I'm back with my babies. Say hi, babies.
Hi.
It is day 7 of March 2019, box week, and today, what are we opening up, ladies?
We have food box video. Yeah, food box.
Love with food. This is a monthly subscription service. It's really, really fun. We love it. It's a great way for us to try snacks. Last month, we actually bought snacks that we tried in this box. We really enjoyed. Now I can't think of what they're called, but they were like the little crispy dessert thingies. Those were really good.
Drizzlicious?
Drizzlicious, yes, the Drizzlicious thing. So we're gonna now open this box and see what's next. We got this month.
And one time it was seaweed, and we do not think it should be seaweed in here.
We do not like when they put seaweed in here. So hopefully there is no seaweed in the box this month.
Hope.
All right, so let's open it up. All right, it says look ahead. So talking about probably like springing forward. This box is chocked full of snacks and goodies today. We'll do that one towards the end because that's a cookie. Let's start maybe with this one. This is a pure protein bar. It is a maple caramel bar with 19 grams of protein, only 190 calories. Can you guys see that?
Is that healthy?
That's actually a really good amount of protein. So that's actually really nice protein-wise. Carbs got 20 grams of protein. That's actually really good that it's almost even carbs to protein on a protein bar. And it's supposed to be a maple caramel flavored. Okay, there's lots of caramel for sure. All right, you guys, so far it smells really yummy. You guys ready to try it?
Mm-hmm. I hope
right.
I also
it's like
like this protein.
all kinds of goo. It's lots of goo.
I hope my
I don't know how I feel about the gooey part, but
I hope my muscles like this.
oh my goodness, I think, okay, there you go. Give me a big old piece for you. You like it? It's very gooey.
Mom, since I have a loose tooth, what if I lost one in this video?
Then I guess that you'd be the tooth fairy on YouTube. I'm giving it a side thumb.
Thumbs down.
It's not completely a thumbs down, but the texture's a little bit off. It doesn't really have a lot of flavor, but it's not a bad flavor. So, because it's not actually like gross tasting, it's not a thumbs down, but I don't think I'd ever actually go out of my way to buy this.
Thumbs down.
So, what do you think?
This is like your first
thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Wow.
Thumbs down.
Okay.
Spicy.
Starting out tough.
Kinda.
Starting out tough over here. All right, so the next thing we have is Awake Caffeinated Chocolate Latte Bar. It is 170 calories. You can just go put it in the garbage, dear.
Okay.
You don't have to put it back in the box. So this is like a chocolate peanut butter latte bar. So I have like, oh, this is like chocolate.
Ooh.
I'm gonna save this till the end to try it. It's like an owl. It looks like an owl. Look at that.
Wanna see?
I was like reading it. I totally got caught up. But these are like caffeine chocolates. I don't think I'm gonna let you guys try these because you can't really have caffeine. But we'll move on to something. Oh, the caramel got on everything. Yeah. Oh, you're right. It's kind of icky. The caramel?
Yeah.
At the end. This is super fat. It's a protein, macadamia and almond nut butter. Oh, I can't try this. This is an almond nut butter protein pack thingy. Okay, so we need something to put this on. Did they give us crackers or anything in here? No. Okay. We're going to pause this really quick and see if we can get some crackers or something. All right, we got ourselves some spoons. I'm not going to be trying this because it's almond butter, but it's like supposed to be macadamia. No, it's probably going to be good. Here, give me your spoon.
It might be good. But why are you allergic to almonds?
I don't know why. That looks kind of nasty. That looks real nasty. It might be gross. Okay, there's more goop in this one.
Oh.
Do you like it? Just take it. If you don't like it, go dump your spoon in the sink. Alright, so it's safe to say that one was a thumbs down for everybody. I can't have it because I'm allergic, and the girls just did not like it at all. The next thing we're going to try is Mighty Peanut Puffs. So these are peanut puffs. Non-GMO, gluten-free, no sugar added, no artificial flavors, cholesterol-free, zero trans fat, dairy-free, vegan, packed with protein, crunchy, and delicious.
If it's vegan, you should add this one.
You ready to try them?
Yeah.
All right, there's one for you.
Peanut butter puffs.
And there's one for you. it's salty.
I know.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, this is so good.
This is really good. Here.
Give me another one, please.
120 calories per bag. We might order these. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
For sure, thumbs up.
That's like, I'm kind of a thumbs up.
It's really good.
I'm actually kind of a thumbs up and a kind of side thumb.
Well, I really like it. And it's definitely a thumbs up.
It's too good and
It's so salty and good. Okay,
Yeah,
next thing we're going to try is Tillamook Country Smoker Old Fashioned Beef Jerky. All right, let's tear into this one.
jerky.
Ooh, strong smell. All right, take one.
Really?
Take one. And I will try one too. Oh, I got a big piece.
Smells good.
Very peppery.
Oh no. What type of pepper?
Just pepper.
No.
I mean, it's okay. It's beef jerky. It's not like I'm blown away by it. I like it. You like it?
I like it. I give it a thumbs up.
I like it. I give it a thumbs up.
Oh my, sounds good.
I don't know if I'd ever like specifically go. It's not that spicy.
She thinks it's spicy. She ran away.
I don't know if I'd specifically go out and look for this beef jerky. But I do like it. Alrighty, the next thing we're going to be trying is, you guys ready to try the next thing? Karma Lime Twist Wrapped Cashews. Ooh. These look actually really fun. I think these look like one of the most fun things in the box. And I personally like when you have like special flavored like limes or, ooh, these have like a shell thing on them.
Hope it's not snail shells.
It's not a snail shell.
Oh.
Interesting.
Maybe you're supposed to take off the shells.
I'm eating it. It's good.
It's also really salty.
I like it. I'm not getting a huge lime flavor, but it's good. There's a little flavor to it, but nothing major. All right, the next thing we're gonna try is actually really awesome. I've wanted to try these for a really long time, but I've never actually bought them. Pop Chip Ridges Buffalo Ranch. These are probably gonna be spicy, so you don't have to try them if you don't want to.
Don't let me.
Supposedly this whole bag is only 90 calories. There's like 12 chips in here. I don't know, I mean, that's not like the best. Oh, we did find those pop chips last month, and I will tell you, like, they're so awesome because you can seriously have like 21 chips for like 100 calories. So I just take like 10 and I'm having like 50 calories. Amazing.
Can I try a little bite? Do not let me eat
a lot, but I'm gonna have. They're very spicy. Very spicy. Very spicy.
I'm not gonna try it.
But very good.
You
want to try a little bit? I like
only
them.
you and Grandpa and Grandma only like spicy
I
stuff.
really like this a lot.
Only you like spicy
really
stuff.
spicy.
They're
They're
not.
really good though.
You can have this then.
Good. Thanks, honey.
Where should
I like it.
Where should
You can toss it.
Okay.
Alright. Next one we're going to try is Janice and Melanie Chocolate Chunk Cookie. Finest ingredients with no preservatives and 0 grams of trans fat. This cookie is like 140 calories. Got a little protein in it. So I mean, it's a cookie. It's essentially a cookie, but they're saying because it's made with like no trans fat or no preservatives, so it's like better. It's definitely super soft, so I will give it that. Alrighty, there's a little piece for you.
I might like it.
You might like it.
Because
There's a piece
I
for you.
love cookies.
Very good. I like it.
Everybody
Thumbs
has
up.
different opinions because their taste buds.
I think it's good for a cookie. And we have one last thing to try. I saved this to the end because it was chocolate. It's the Awake Caffeinated Chocolate Candy thing. I'm excited to try this, and it's got an owl on it. Can you guys see the owl?
Let me see.
Here,
Let me
I'll show you. Look at it. It's an owl.
Ooh, an owl.
It's a latte chocolate. So, I'll try it. You guys can't have coffee. But you can have more of the cookie.
Ooh,
You want more of the cookie?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah,
there you
yeah.
go.
Thank you.
So you eat the cookie, I'll eat the chocolate.
Yum, yum, yum. What does it taste like?
It's got peanut butter in it. Really good. I like it a lot.
Oh, wow.
It's just so good.
But you said peanut butter now, I really want it.
Well, it's got caffeine in it. Sorry. I still love you though. I'm sorry though. What do you guys think? What was your favorite thing in the box?
The cookie. Too good.
I actually had a few things I really liked in this box. I actually liked 4 things in this box, and there's probably at least 2 that I would consider actually buying. For me, I really like the Mighty Peanut Puffs. I really like these a lot. I think these were really delicious and a really light snack.
So you want to buy those?
And
I love the spicy pop chips. I really do. I can see myself buying these too. They sell these at the grocery store right over here. I liked the wrapped cashews, but I don't feel like I'd probably spend the money on those. And I also liked the Awake chocolate. What did you like the most other than the cookie? What other thing did you like? Did you like these peanut puffs?
Yeah.
You like the beef jerky, I take it? You're gonna start buying beef jerky for your lunches at school, huh?
Love these and
The cashews?
yeah.
And the cookies.
Overall, like, so we started out with a couple things we really didn't like, but overall, I think this is one of the best, like, variety boxes, and I felt like I got foods that I would legitimately go out and purchase. So, I think they did a great job. What do you think?
Can I say the thing I didn't
Ooh.
like?
What didn't you
Let me have one.
The peanut butter sauce.
Oh, the almond butter. Yeah, and they didn't like the pure protein bar, but overall, I think it was good. All right, we gotta save some for Grandma and Grandpa to try, okay? All right, so I'm gonna set this down over here.
And it's down over there.
And that over there. All right, girls, what do we say now? That's all we have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same. It is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just Like Drew. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing week, amazing life. And I will see you very, very soon for another video. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Like, they have a lot of really nice face masks at his Target. I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna be trying this one out to see how I like it. Oh, it's like squirting everywhere. Supposedly it's supposed to be like really light and it only needs